have completed the base, and I have just done a small chains, or you can say with this tipsy needle I have just created this chain. I'll just show you that how to do it. It's very simple. I'm just giving this a web theme at the front side, and then I will add 2 eyes here. So that is all I'm going to do with this cap. So for making this type of theme, what you have to do, you will simply do this. I'm just showing you how to do it because that is a sample and that's what I'm doing here. You have to take the thread out of the area from where you have to start. Then you simply have to take your needle from between your stitches. Let me just show you. From the same point where you have ended here, like this, we will put the needle back inside. We will cover a little bit distance on the top, and then we are going to add a thread on the needle like this, and then we will come back to make these small little chains. But don't forget that we are going to start again from the loop that you can see on the top of the area or the stitch. So you will do again, you will go a little bit up from the already stitched point, and then roll around the needle, the thread you already have in your needle, then make this chain. So this is actually called a chain stitch, and it is easy to make on any of the fabric, so that was the reason I chose it. So rest, you can even do one other thing with your crochet. If you want to make it like this, so you have to, let me just show you what you are going to do with it. You will see the difference of the stitches as well. So you need your thread should be at the bottom of your desired area where you want to do the stitchings. Then you have to hold your fabric, your material, in a way that your thread is coming under your fingers like this. Put your needle inside, take the thread from your fingers on the hook, and then bring it up. Now we are going to pull the thread up with the help of our crochet hook. Then come back again. You will put it down again and pull back the thread from the bottom. So you will see again you are making the same chain style with the help of a crochet hook. So why I chose the needle stitch, because it is little bit tricky to balance the lines, plus it is also difficult for some of the people that how to manage bringing up the thread like this I was doing before. So to make it little bit easy, I have just make it with the thread. So you can see again the same stitches are happening here just like we did before. So that's it. We have to choose according to our choices. So this is it. I have already finished the embroidery. Now I'm going to make the eyes with off-white color. Start with chains. I have started with 10 chains, so it's going to be like that much big. So we have to make sure that whatever size we are making, we have to go with this. So we are going to start with half double crochet in each chain or stitch, and in the first row we are not going to increase or decrease. We will simply put half double crochet in every stitch. The increase we have done here with one chain. Now half double crochet till the mid of the mid center here, and we are going to decrease here. So one decrease like this, and rest we will put half double crochet. In this round we will go directly to the other point, to the second side, with half double crochet without any decrease or increase, because we also want a little bit length of the eye. We are not just going to decrease in every row. In this round or the row, we are going to decrease one more time in the center only. One chain. Simply do one complete round or row with half double crochet without any decrease. One chain, another this is the sixth round with half double crochet, and we are decreasing one more time here in the center. This is the last decrease we have just finished with. So you can see it's a very fine and beautiful eye drop type. Like this we are going to attach on the head, on the cap, above the border. So before finishing, I must say that we also have to add the black color. From any of the corner we will start our border with black color, one chain, and half double crochet along each stitch at the border side. And when we will reach to the top, what we are going to do, we will put one chain and again one stitch, one half double crochet in the top. So it will be very pointed from this point. We are not going to change the pointed thing. So for that I have just put one half double crochet, chain, and one half double crochet to make it or keep the pointed thing there. And now I'm just putting my half double crochet in stitches along the corners or the border. Same thing I will do at the other point. I will put 2 half double crochet in the corner, so it will be like a pointed corner again. And now I'm going to put my half double crochet in the last row here in each stitch. And as I started from one point, that was the first point, I will put one more half double crochet to end it and slip stitch in the first stitch. So after finishing it, we are going to paste both of the eyes. In this format. So we have just completed this beautiful hand crocheted Spiderman theme cap or Beanie, and this is going to be the most favorite character for all the kids, and if you are going to make it, they will love it a lot. So make it for yourself, for your loved ones, or for your kids or for your loved one kids. You are going to admire it a lot. The age limit I have already mentioned in the start that it's about 5 to 7 years, and it's easily, all the pattern which I have given is easily wearable for that age. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep liking my work. I will bring some more beautiful, more amazing tutorials for you. Till then, see you next time. Bye.